Must wash hands. Right, here goes. New window rubbers, 4 back clips, roof lining. Here we go. People weren't kidding when they say this job is a horrible faff of a nasty, horrible job. I've not even done the sides yet. All the windows, good grief, the rear seal really wants to hold in, but the front seal just, nah. So the rear, there we go, is all there-ish. So that's good. And the front seal in. Headlining is the best as I can get it. I faffed so long to get it right. Do up creases and bends, and one is straight, the next one isn't. And, keep remembering it's a Mini. Maybe some people spend hours on this or just can get it napped right in, but not me. So actually, technically that was the easy bit. Now I've got the tricky bits of hooking it around the sides and getting a nice bit of trim there, and a bit of trim there, and a bit of trim there. But for now, at least this is done so that the windows can come in on Monday, if I haven't managed to figure out those bits by then. Well, I don't know if it looks right. In some places it really doesn't. But I would challenge anyone to tell me of a nastier job to do than a roof lining on a classic Mini. That is a hideous job. I know it doesn't look great in most places, but maybe one day get a specialist just to try and get those bits out. Or probably not, because we'll be just looking that way all the time.